Hi everyone, today we discuss about the variables in JavaScript. Variables are three types. First one is var, and second one is let, and third one is constant. First we discuss about the var. It is mutable keyword. The accessing elements can be changed. In this example, value 5 accessed to x using var keyword. Likewise, y also accessed a value 10. Like variable is as var and a constant variable is immutable. When to use var, let or constant? First, always declare the variables. Always use constant if value should not be changed. Always use constant if the type should not be changed. Only use let if you cannot use constant. Only use var if you must support old browsers. And arrays are special variable which can hold more than one value. An array can hold many values under a single name, and you can access the value by referring to an index number. Now we discuss about how to create an array. Here is the syntax of creating an array. Array can create using array name. It is created by using constant variable. Now accessing array elements can be referred by index number. Note array indexes start with 0. 0 is first element, 1 is second element. The length property. The length property of an array returns the length of an array, the number of elements, array elements. The length property is always one more than the highest array index. And next we discuss about function. It is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. A function is executed when something calls it. Function is defined with the function keyword in parentheses. Function names can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Function often compute a return value. Functions often compute a return value. The return value is returned back to the caller. Variables declared within a Java function become local to the function. Local variables can only accessed by from within the function. Next, we discuss about loops. Loops are of three types. First one is for loop and second one is while loop. Third one is do while loop. First, we discuss about for loop. It means loops throw a block of code a number of times. Next, we discuss about while loop. While loop means loop throw a block of code while a specified condition is true. And last one is do while loop. Now, do while loop, it is also a loop throw a block of code while a specified condition is true. The first statement creates a loop with three optional expressions. Expression 1 is executed one time before the execution of the code block. Expression 2 defines the condition for executing the code block. Expression 3 is executed every time after the code block has been executed. In this first example, using var, the variable declared in the loop redeclares the value variable outside the loop. In the second example, using let, the variable declared in the loop does not redeclare the variable outside the loop. When let is used to declare the I variable in a loop, the I variable will only be visible within the loop. The while loops throw a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. In the following example, the code in the loop will run over and over again as long as variable I is less than 10. If you forgot to increase the variable used in the condition, the loop will never end. This will crash your browser. The variant of the while loop. This loop will execute the code block once before checking if the condition is true, then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. The example below uses a do while loop. The loop will always be executed at least once, even if the condition is false. Because the code code block is executed before the condition is tested. Next we discuss about objects. Objects are also called as variables, but objects contain many values. In the below code, car is an object and many values like model, color are assigned to it. It is a common practice to declare objects with constant key. Thank you.